City fan site, and I also didn't want my family and friends to know the misery I was in, so of course you post the great times, the highs were
a really painful 2 weeks. Last week I had my period for the first time ever since I got my implant in January. When you have the implant, you don't really bleed. And then this week, Monday, I started feeling sick at night, and then Tuesday I went to work and I had to leave early because I started like sneezing, coughing, and just snot was coming out. And now it's Friday and I've been sick still. I've been drinking lots of tea. I've made naturally juiced ginger honey lemon tea, and I just Instacarted yesterday some honey, and I have to juice ginger again, but I'm being lazy, so I just been making tea from like the pouches that I have, just random teas. I don't really have anything for like being sick. I just have like peppermint. I'm drinking cherry blossom, which actually tastes really good. It's like a green tea with like hints of cherry, so I like that a lot. And tomorrow and Sunday is my art fair. I'm actually very excited. I have about over 70 items to sell, so I think that's more than enough, because honestly I don't know how many people are going to show up to this event, and we will see how it goes. I'm actually very nervous but also excited. I just want it to be a good time. Other fairs that I've done, I haven't had to pay for a table, so this is the first time I'm paying for a table. Hopefully tomorrow I feel better and I'm like less congested and I'm not like coughing up a storm in there, because that would be so embarrassing. Probably gonna have to wear like a mask or something and make my partner sell the stuff for me. My friends are also coming, so maybe they can help a little bit. They said that they would help, so that's really nice of them. I'm gonna do my makeup. It's currently 2 p.m. and I've been glazing some charms. So I just want to do my makeup today because I've been feeling sick all week and not like myself. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just do like a full face of the makeup I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm not sure if I want to do a full face. I have like this pimple that was really bad and I think I got it because I was sick, so I have to cover that and it just looks really bad. But yeah, so gonna do my makeup. Okay, so this is the look. Every time I do my makeup and my hair looks nice, I absolutely feel like a princess, which is why I love doing my makeup. And yeah, I feel like I found a really good makeup routine and makeup products that I actually really love, and I'm not like, oh my god. But that's honestly, I think it's been like years of just searching what I like, and that's why I try to refrain from whenever something goes viral to not buy, or products that people kind of just be raving about sometimes. I mean, like, yeah, some products, yeah, but like, I don't know, I feel like what's best is just looking at different brands and depending on like what makeup looks you like, choosing the brands that do that type of, you know, makeup looks. Like for instance, I really like Japanese or Korean makeup looks, so some stuff that I do have are mostly Korean, like my blush, my lippies and my blush mostly. But for mascara, I really like Lancome. You know, I experimented with different mascaras and eyeliners. Oh my god, so many. And ultimately I was just like, let me just get Lancome. Lancome was actually my first luxury mascara that I bought when I was a teenager, because like $30 for mascara is a lot. And then I would experiment different mascaras. I mean, I think L'Oreal, I believe the telescopic mascara also gives me that same effect, but I don't know why, something about it is just doesn't have that same finish like Lancome, but it is very similar. So if I ever do want to dupe, I do go for the telescopic L'Oreal. That's a very good drugstore mascara, I would say. I also liked Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara as well, but it would clump too much. I don't know, there's just a lot of things out there. Enough of me ranting. That is, yeah. I have to get back to crafting and I have to definitely eat something right now because I have not eaten all day. Okay, so I'm now gathering everything together and kind of just seeing what I can display, and this is what I have so far. So I have my Lakuma, Gorilla Kuma, my Totoro, my Miffy's, Gloomy Bear, Terra Panda, and then these sweets, Snoopy, and more sweets at the bottom. And then I have more, there's like a lot going on, but I'm also thinking of doing like a junk trinket of like old charms that I made in the past and just never sold. So I'm gonna just put everything that I didn't sell in here. My more expensive keychains on here with my hair clips, and then some orchid necklaces that I have. I don't have a lot of orchid necklaces. I didn't have time to make them, unfortunately. Maybe I can probably cram in some today if I'm fast enough, but I don't think I have time for that. So this is just how I'm gonna lay out the more expensive ones. I think this is really cute. You get to really see it, and the like keychain parts with the extra beading decorations, it kind of makes it feel more expensive to me. So yeah. Good morning. It is the first day of the art market. Thank God I feel a little better, a little less congested, but I still do feel a bit sick. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to take a lot of medicine today. I didn't sleep a lot last night because I was busy doing my nails. I don't know why I decided to do my nails at 12 a.m. but they came out cute. I just wish I could have done a little bit more designs, but it's really cute. I love the color. It's giving like sick dead nails, and I like that look a lot. So yep. Anyways, I'm gonna do my makeup, get ready. I do want Starbucks, so I want to go to Starbucks, get a coffee, and maybe like a little breakfast. It's only gonna be like a 25-minute drive from here because I'm actually very close. So yeah, it's not too bad.